next topic is internal relay type instructions. The internal relay type instruction does not directly control an output field device. That means it is used for programming only. It does not connect to the output device. It is called the internal relay type instruction. We are going to see about the internal relay type instruction in the PLC programming. Now we are going to simulate the internal relay type instructions. We are using the Zen support software. In this Zen support software, you have to create a new program, and also you have to select the number of input and outputs. Here we are using the 10 IOs, 10 input and output. This is enough to demonstrate the internal relay type instructions. First you have to draw the ladder diagram with the use of input. These are input contacts and output coils. First we are choose the one NO contact. You have to put the name to that is a input contact. That is a start push button. Here we are going to mention the start push button. You may choose the color in this push button. For start push button, you may choose the green color. And also relay number. Relay number is 0. And also the contact type mentioned is the normally open contact. Generally, we are using the start push button, or you have to choose the normally open type. For the stop push button only, you have to choose the normally closed type. Here we are choosing the start push button. It is a normally open contact. We have chosen the relay number, that is a 0. The next one, the next contact we have chosen the normally closed contact. That relay number is, that is a 1. We have mentioned here stop push button. You may choose the color as red for stop. The next one, here we are choosing the internal relay. We are going to see about the normal relay, that is a output coil and internal relay. We have chosen the coil. Here that is the internal relay. You have to choose the internal relay. The Q is the CPU output relay. It is a real output of the PLC, but you have to choose the internal relay. That is M is the internal relay. Here is the Q is the real output. But in that case, we have to choose the M. That is an internal relay. Here we are using the, it is a control relay, CR. We have mentioned them as control relay. For stop push button, you have to choose the normally closed button. Then here we have the sealing contact. Sealing contact means after releasing that start push button, maintains the contact to operate this control relay. It is a sealing contact. The next run, we are using the output of the control relay. It is a M contact. It is a normally open contact. It is connected to the next run. that run. Here we are using the one lamp. This is a real output. The CPU real output. Here we are using the lamp 1. Lamp 1. In the next one, the same control relay contact we are using here. We have chosen the M control relay normally closed contact. Here we are using the normally closed contact. Here also we are using the another lamp. Lamp 2. Now we have completed the ladder program. We are going to simulate this program with this internet relay type instruction. Now we have to start simulator. Okay, this is the real output and also this is input devices. Here we are using the two input devices. One is start push button and another one is stop push button. The output is the lamp 1 and lamp 2. These are all the outputs. Here the control relay does not present in the PLC output. It is used for only programming purpose. We are using the control relay. That is a internet related instruction. In this case, that is a Q only connected to the output device in the PLC. That is called as the real output devices. In this case, that is a M0 is the internet relay type instruction. It is only used to control this run only. Does not present in the output of the PLC. It is called as the internet relay type instructions. Now we are going to run the simulation. Here we are using the control relay to control these outputs. In this case, the lamp is connected to the normally closed contact. That's why it's directly on when we are switching. That is when we are run that simulation, the lamp is already glowing. But the control relay, what are the purpose of this control relay? When it will press the start push button, the control relay will energize, and this control relay contacts are changes based on that contacts. If we are putting that normally open contact means that it will close when that control relay contact will energize. If you are putting that normally closed contact means it will open. Now we are going to press the start push button. When you are going to press the start push button at this time, the control relay will energize. During that period, the contacts will changes. Normally closed means it will open. Normally open means it will close. We are going to see about that program. Now I have pressed the start push button. During that period, the control relay contacts will change based on that normal position. If it is normally open means all the contacts are closed. If it is normally closed means that contact will open. This is called the internet relay type instruction. Only used for that programming only. Thank you.